Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making fried banana in the air fryer. So all we need is a banana. If you'd like, you can also use seasonings such as brown sugar or cinnamon, but to my taste, banana is sweet enough, especially when it's ripe like this, so I'm just going to use a plain banana. So let's peel a banana. And then I will slice it. And now let's take out the air fryer basket. I will spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. If you'd rather not use the spray, you can also brush the bottom of the basket with vegetable oil. So I'm going to spray it very well so it doesn't stick. And now let's put the sliced banana in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these fried bananas. They look amazing. So caramelized and brown, naturally sweet and tastes so good. Now let me remove them from the air fryer. So just carefully take them out with a spatula. They're very soft, so just remove them super carefully. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying them. These are perfect for topping your ice cream or any smoothie bowls or just eating as a healthy dessert. Now let's try it. So soft and caramelized. It tastes as good as it looks. Tastes amazing. So soft, so sweet, so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!